Many times in 3D modeling, you will end up with a model whose shape you like, but it doesn't have very good topology or edge flow for doing things like animation. So for example, with this model right here, if I unsubdivide this, you can see that the base geometry is not something that you would want to animate. It's very abstract because this model was made almost exclusively with Silo's displacement painting tools. So one of the neat tools that we have in Silo to help this, and we actually have several, but this is one of them, is the Topology tool. So if I go into here, this is a tool that lets you just draw on new lines of topology. And I've already drawn a few lines with this. I'll draw a few more. But when I come into this tool, I can just start drawing on my model. And so I will draw a new line there, and a new line here, and I can work on this. I can enter and exit the tool, and it will remember these strokes. But it will create new geometry. So you'll see when I press enter here, it's going to create new polygons based on these intersections. So I hit enter, and then it creates this new shape, which closely follows the form of the surface of this model. And here, if I just subdivide it, you can see you can get smooth. This has several options that you control whether this is offset. So this is offset a little bit from the surface of the face. You can see if I reinitialize the tool, you can see how that lines up with the strokes that I drew. And it can be a really quick and easy way to either make all new topology for a model or just something that you want to be form-fitting like clothing or armor or something like that. And between that and the other tools that we have, we think Silo is a really powerful way to create new topology.